Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft project video. Today we're making this cute little gumball machine ornament using some of these mini red cups, some pom-poms from Dollar Tree, as well as these round plastic ornaments from Dollar Tree and some tabs off of some cans. So I could buy these round ornaments in pairs. So I did buy 3 pairs. So I'm going to make 6 of these ornaments here. So I'm going to grab 6 of my little red cups out of my package, and then I'm going to just cut these ornaments apart. I am going to leave the hanger on the top of the ornament. Now I grabbed a package of the glittery pom-poms and the regular ones. We're gonna lay out our 6 cups here and just set our ornaments in the cups so they don't roll around all over our table. So next I'm just going to take out the larger pom-poms in each of the packages here. We're just going to do a variety of green, red, and white, a variety of the glittery ones and the plain ones, but you can definitely do whatever you would like. You could do all the mini tiny ones if you'd like, but I'm just going to do maybe 5 or 6 of these pom-poms in each of the ornaments. So these ornaments are plastic, which I like because they're going to be very lightweight and not break easily. You're just going to pull the pin basically out of the top of each of the ornaments and then squish in the pom-poms that you choose for each of your ornaments. Like I said, I'm going to do some green glittery, some red glittery, and then some green, red, and white of the plain. So once you've got all the pom-poms inside that you want, you're going to go ahead and squeezing the 2 prongs, you're going to get the top of the ornament back in, and this you will do for all 6 of your ornaments. And then once you have those done, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom of the cup and then glue the bottom of the ornament to the bottom of the cup. This is so cute, making a little gumball machine looking ornament. And the last thing we're gonna do, just to add that little touch, make this look even more like a gumball machine, I have a tab from a drink can. I'm going to just glue that to the side of the cup. And I love these. These are so cute. You could do, if you're doing like a Candyland birthday party theme, you could make these with lots of different colors of pom-poms inside. These are so easy that kids could make these if an adult does the gluing. I just think these are so fun and simple. I have also seen where people put M&Ms inside as a little party favor. Well, thanks so much for joining me. Let me know, as always, in the comments what you guys think of this project, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.